How to add notes to Instagram and feed posts on Instagram. Let's get started. Launch your Instagram app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. With the upgrade to Instagram, now you are able to add your reels and posts to the notes. Let me show you how. First, navigate to the profile page. For that, click on the profile icon given at the bottom right corner. Once you're over here, head towards the reel or the post that you want to share to your note. Open it. Then, click on the share icon. Different options will appear. You'll also find the option of add note. You have to click on that option. Then go ahead and type in anything. Click on done. With that, the post will be added to your note. As this is a new feature, this feature has not rolled out all over the world. So I'm not getting this option, but you might get the option of add note. You have to click on it and follow these steps. So this way you are able to add notes to reels and feed posts on Instagram. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.